Just me and the boys chasing highway signs, leaving the only life we'd ever known behind. Selling everything we own just to be in a band. It's all about the big light shining bright. Whiskey got you feeling right. Kick coming like a shotgun, ripping through the night. Raising hell and Dixie cups all night long. It's all about the sweat-soaked t-shirts, partying until it hurts. Leaning on the back beat, screaming every single word. Nothing like getting high on a country song. I bought a George Jones ticket the last time he rolled through town. And it's a damn good thing, 'cause he never rolled back around. That white lightning had us all feeling fine. We were on tour on the yesterday's line, sipping on Tennessee whiskey and getting down. It's all about the big light shining bright. Whiskey got you feeling right. Kick coming like a shotgun, ripping through the night. Raising hell and Dixie cups all night long. It's all about the sweat-soaked t-shirts, partying until it hurts. Leaning on the back beat, screaming every single word. Nothing like getting high on a country song. Oh, get 'em stoned, son. Big light shining bright, whiskey got you feeling right. Get drunk like a shotgun, ripping through the night. Raising hell and Dixie cups all night long. It's all about the sweat-soaked t-shirts, partying until it hurts. Leaning on the back beat, screaming every single word. Nothing like getting high on a country song. Oh, there's nothing like getting high on a country song. On a country song.
This dance is Country High, choreographed by Ashley Matthews. It's a 32 count, 2 more line dance. Section 1, jump, out, jump with right cross over left, unwind a half turn left to face 6. Vaudeville. Side, behind, and heel, and cross, side, stomp. Section 2, scuff right and jump to the right, land with both feet together, scuff, jump, swivel feet to left, heels, toes, heels. A right heel grind with a quarter turn right, heel grind, recover to face 9, right, coaster, step. Section 3, rock left, forward, recover, triple a half turn left, stepping left, left, 2 whistle steps, right, left, left, right, left. Last section. Stomp, clap, clap, hold, stomp, left, right. Jump back on left, kicking right forward, back, triple back, left, right, left. This is the end of the dance. It's a 2-wall dance, so make a quarter turn right to start the new wall with the jump out, jump crossed. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2, hold 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that's the whole dance.